Greetings and welcome to How to Get Started Educo Learning Center video. In this video, we will guide you on how to register your child for our courses through our user-friendly and safe online system. Just follow these simple steps to get your child started with ELC. Launch your web browser and go to www.educolearningcenter.com. To get started, click on the Sign Up button and then select your desired course and grade level by clicking on the View and Select Course button. Please review the course details page to gain a better understanding of what is included in the course. On this page, you can find a comprehensive summary of the course's features and content. Additionally, you can access information on the standards and I can do statements, which are available for viewing and downloading. You can preview the pages of the course e-workbook before deciding to buy it along with the online subscription. Click on the Select This Course button. Please enter your name and email address in the Personal Information section. Please enter your child's first and last name. Select a grade and plan of your choice. Choose the course type that suits your child's needs. Now choose a subscription plan. Please enter your billing information and click on Next. Enter your card information and click on Confirm Order and Pay. Order confirmation. Your ELC login information about your and your child's accounts will be sent to your email. You can now log in to access the parent dashboard to view and monitor your child's progress. Allow your child to access the ELC platform using the provided student ID. Advise them to take the diagnostic test as the first step, as it will aid in assessing their current level before they embark on their learning journey. Congratulations! Your child is now ready to excel in math. Visit www.educolearningcenter.com to get started.